Hey, what is going on, guys? So I'm gonna do a unboxing of two phones here, an Apple iPhone XR and the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now I paid about $750 all in for this one, and this one here came out to like a little bit less than $1,000 all in. And for the iPhone XR, I did get the color in, I think it's called baby blue. Okay, it's just called blue. And in the Mate 20 Pro, I got this one in black. All right, I guess I'll go ahead and start off with the iPhone here. Let me go ahead and open this up. You can see the size of the two boxes here as well. And so with the iPhone XR, of course, you know, we get all this like startup guide. We probably have the stickers in here. The Apple logo stickers like you get with every phone, Apple phone, and we have the SIM ejection tool as well. And here we go, baby blue, or not baby blue, I'm sorry, blue, all right? But it should be called baby blue. Like, look at this. Wow. This looks pretty freaking nice. And just to give you a quick comparison, this is the iPhone XR. Here's an iPhone 8 here. You can see the XR is definitely a lot bigger. Let me get an iPhone X here. So here's an iPhone X, and the XR is still bigger. You can see the bezel on the XR and the X. See how there's like hardly no bezel? If you look on the iPhone 8 here, you see this huge bezel down here and up there. So with the iPhone X and the XR, you can see there's almost like no bezel. It's an entire screen. And let me go see if we can wirelessly charge the iPhone XR out of the box. Let's see here. Bam, already charging. Okay, and let's see what else we get out of the box here. We have some earbuds here, and it comes with the lightning connector. Don't forget, iPhones no longer have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack anymore. And we get a wall adapter here and a charging cable. And that's pretty much it for the box. I'll give you a quick look here. I'm definitely liking this color here. Look at that. See the speakers down here, lightning port. You have the power button right here. The SIM tray is right here. And of course we got the volume rockers on the left-hand side as well as the mute button. All right, so let's go ahead and do the Mate 20 Pro here. Put that to the side, and wow, and this is in black. Oh man, look at all these cameras here. All these lenses. Now the reason why I got this phone is because there's been a lot of talk about this phone, and I've seen some really cool videos what you can actually do with this Mate 20 Pro. And I'll give you a closer look here. Let me go ahead and boot this up really fast. All right, so let me go ahead and put to the side right now. And we'll see what comes in this box here. All right, so it looks like we get a SIM ejection tool right there, and we're going to get some pamphlets here too. Probably just a startup guide here and a warranty card. And we get a wall adapter here. Okay, I ordered this. I had to order this from the UK or England, and this is the connector they use here. So I have another adapter I can put on there so I can use it here in the USA. And we have a USB to a USB Type-C here. And we also get some earbuds here with the USB Type-C connector. I guess there's no 3.5 millimeter jack in this either. Wow, that just really sucks. I guess they're taking a 3.5 millimeter jack out of a lot of phones, but man, that kind of sucks. Anyways, and what else do we have? Last but not least, okay, so we have this adapter here. It's a USB Type-C to a 3.5 millimeter jack. So if you have a earphone or headphones or whatnot with a 3.5 millimeter jack, you can just plug this USB Type-C into the phone, and you'll still be able to use your earphones or headphones with the 3.5 millimeter jack. Let's go ahead and see if this bad boy charges up too. Wirelessly charge, you ready? Yep, we're good to go. Anyways, here's a quick look at both of these beautiful phones. I'm going to be doing a lot of testing on these with the camera, with the video. Actually, you can see the iPhone XR is a little bit wider as well. It's just a tad wider. And, but look at this lens on here. And we can see on here, see the SIM tray is down here. And we got the volume rockers and power button on the right hand side. There's nothing here on the left hand side. Well, there you guys go. Just a quick unboxing of these two totally different brand name phones. You can see the lenses here on the back of both of them. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.